Guys, today I have a race.
Holla, why do they doubt the kid? I'm about to prove them all wrong again. I got a low tolerance, cause they don't even know where the problem is. It's me. You ain't
Hello guys, today I have a race. I'm gonna run 21. I feel well. I'm not compete to win the race. I will compete to myself, always improve. I have all the things necessary to do the best of me. Most difficult is our mind. 17 kilometers, our mind say stop. And you need to fight because if you stop, you can't finish the race. You must fight with your mind. Feel well, I'm gonna run.
Yeah, I'm overzealous when I'm thinking about the cash flow. I never had no handouts, just came natural. I've been tested so much, all these wrestlers nice. All these different situations that I've been through. I seen pain trying to creep in through the window, but now I'm sliding through the hood in a benzo. You gotta separate yourself just to elevate. I keep some drink in my cup to see through the hate. Sometimes on the road to glory you gotta press the brakes. I got a lesson plan for all my past mistakes. I swear I'm proud of all my best.
Now I'm leaving here my Spielberg. She's got the hardest job, waiting and filming my grand arrival. Whether I'm sprinting or barely crawling, I'm now heading by car to the starting point, near the port of Luanda. The race begins there. Go through the entire marginal, crosses the bridge to the island, goes all the way along Ilha of Luanda, with the ocean by my side, turns around at the end, comes back the same way, finishes right here on Nova Marginal. Let's see if I make it flying or dragging myself to the end, but one thing for sure, I never give up.
In control, nothing more, this is minimum. Can't stop now, I'ma grind till I'm ghost. I thank God how he held me down the most. Can't stop now, gotta grind till I'm ghost. Gotta thank God how he held me down the most.
Got the whole team on my back. I ain't worried about no stats. No time to compete with so-and-so. No time to compete with so-and-so. I ain't got a bad when I'm in my bag, no.
Holla, why do they doubt the kid? I'm about to prove them all wrong again. I got a low tolerance, cause they don't even know where the problem is. It's me. You waiting on the boy to fail, then hold your breath and face your death. Cause you play a roulette with each step I progress, no less. Go ahead and place your bets, cause we know where we at, we know we top tier. Cause all the hate that you bring, we know it stops here. I'm taking off like a rocketeer and stopping here. It's strange how they cannot see the future, but see profit.
Very good race, man. I did it one more time. Good time. Hello guys, I'm back home. The race was good. My shoes, my Mizuno Wave Rebellion Pro 2 helps me on the race. Very soft, put me flying. I finished the race in 2 hours and 20 minutes. I believe my pace was around 6.36. I'm very grateful because I dream about it, run a race with that shoes. The response of the shoes was marvelous. In another video, I'm gonna talk more about shoes I want to buy now for my long train. Run was special because it was the peace race. My country, Angola, was in internal war until 2002. Was with the big expectation that we celebrate Peace Day. Celebrate that day. Federation of Running of Angola bring us with a race. Remember this date. Something very funny. Now we see in all runs same people. Now I have friends. It's very good to be with these guys because we have the same passion. Angola are growing in this area. Give my props to the Federation of Angola of Athleticism and Chaco, the enterprise who support in the organization of the race. Unfortunately, the Spielberg is not okay because she want to film. When I crossed the finish line, she want to film, but the equipment don't respond. Someday run a marathon, but it's a long way to do, so I must participate in more races and be focused on my training, and we will see if I have the conditions to run a marathon one of these days. And remember, never give up. See you, bye bye, and props.